now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
Well, we might be able to delay winter, but apparently we can't cancel it. It is going to show up here.
That's right, in the form of much lower temperatures and some snow.
Yeah, no, 2024 has got some winter chops.
Yes.
It's not playing around with us, especially next week with those bitterly cold temperatures. But let's get through tonight. 33 in Detroit, 32 in Ann Arbor, 33 in Lapeer. We've got a light accumulation tomorrow morning. When I say light, I mean about an inch or so, but it does come during the morning commute, so could be a few slippery roadways. The more impactful snow comes Friday and into Saturday, and then the coldest air of the season. In fact, the coldest year we've seen since 2022 comes in for next week. But let's start with tomorrow morning. We've got 6 a.m., as I showed you at the top of the show. A few scattered snow showers, but moving out by the afternoon, and then temperatures are going to stay about the same as they were today in the mid to upper 30s. Now let's shift our attention to the winter storm watch. Goes into effect 10 a.m. Friday to 10 a.m. Saturday. So it's a long time period. It's not a warning, it's a watch. That means that there's the potential for 6 inches or more of snow and also some high winds. It does include Livingston and Genesee County. Any place you see in blue is included in that watch. At this point, does not include southeast lower Michigan. Now, tomorrow there could either be a winter storm watch or there could also be a winter weather advisory. There could be an advisory closer to the actual storm, but as of right now, it is just north and west of Metro Detroit. Clouds and radar forecast starting Friday at 8 a.m. Looks fine for your morning commute. Timing of this has moved up just a little bit. Now it looks like it'll come in a bit earlier in the afternoon. Start as a mix of rain, sleet, and snow, and then change over to snow at some point during the evening commute. The heaviest snow still southwest of Metro Detroit. But what we're watching closely is this right here. Friday at 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, there's this pocket of warm air that changes that precip over to rain. And it's because of this that we're still trying to figure out exact snow totals, because the longer it rains, as we saw earlier in the week, longer it rains, the lower those snow totals will be. But we do know we'll get some measurable snow. It will be impactful. That's for here in Detroit. Now, if you're headed to Grand Rapids, up to the UP or northern lower Michigan, it's a mess. That's where they're expecting near blizzard-like conditions, but that's not here in Metro Detroit. That's off to our north and west, and I'll show you here the snowfall forecast. We're looking anywhere between 3 and 6 on the east side, but you go to the west side where they have that watch, you get into the purple. That's more 6 to 9 inches. Beyond that is where you get into over a foot of snow with blowing and drifting for the day on Saturday. Then we talk about the temperatures. Behind this system, the Arctic air settles in. By Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, Metro's at 1 and the suburbs are below 0. 31 degrees tonight, a few scattered snow showers by about 5 a.m., continuing until 11 a.m. tomorrow with our high reaching 37. It is a forewarned weather alert day for Friday. As that snow does develop in the afternoon, it will mix in with some rain on the east side. It will be all snow on the west side. That snow continues off and on through the day on Saturday. There'll also be some blowing and drifting. Winds will be very high this weekend. Wind chills will be below 0, and then that Arctic air for next week. Lots of fun the next 7 days.
Yes, for you.
You know it.
Yeah.
All right.